Today, more people than ever want to turn their passion into profits. It can provide financial freedom, allow you to spend more time with loved ones, and give you the ability to live your purpose. But you need a plan that will allow you to avoid common mistakes. You should know how to reduce risks, increase profits, and scale. I want to share a proven 7-step system that helps turn your ideas into reality. Step 1. Discovering your passion. Imagine you are at a party and you don't know anyone. Someone comes up to you. What could you talk about with them for hours on end? Is it your kids, fashion, gardening, guitar playing, cooking? The point of discovering your passion and using it in building your online business is so that you are excited and motivated by what you do every day, even when the going gets tough. Step 2. Determining market fit and potential. When you've narrowed in on your passion and skill set, the next stepping stone is determining market fit. Market fit can simply be described as the group of people that fit your product or service. Think about who would benefit from your knowledge. Is the market size big enough for you to profit from it? Where can you most likely find this type of person? Step 3. Creating an avatar. Any good business starts with catering to their customer. That's why this step is vital to creating a successful product and marketing strategy. An avatar is a single person that embodies the representation of your ideal customer. You must understand your customer's needs and fears so you can get down to how you can better help him or her. Step 4. Building a following. A following is a group of people who are interested in your content and who will want to stay updated on the information you will share with them. This is your community. You want to cultivate a strong relationship with these people because they will look to you as an authority figure and will in turn seek and take your advice on the topic. This means that later down the road, when you want to make a recommendation to them about a product you will be offering, they will trust you. Your community are your future prospective buyers. Step 5. Building a list of prospective buyers. Now you understand the importance of building your following of prospective buyers. You should also realize that you'll need a way to organize them to be able to deliver offers in the future. Your goal is to turn a prospective buyer into a lead and then convert that lead into your new customer. In the world of digital marketing, we call this a funnel. There are various types of funnels, and you need to create an opt-in funnel. Get this right, and you can make millions. Step 6. Monetizing your audience. You know how to start a community and have a way to reach that following with just a click of a button. You might be thinking, Norm, how do I get to the money part? A rookie mistake is to start monetizing too early. Another rookie mistake, taking too long to monetize. So let's start with a baseline. You want to send your list free content emails before you start sending them promotional ones. Start with value and reciprocity will follow. Step 7. Scaling your profits. Now that you're dialed in with the whole make money online thing, how do you scale? There are 2 main ways to make more money, which generally applies for any business. One way is to get more customers. The second way is to make more money per customer. One way to get more customers is to increase your focus on step 4, building your following. You should always be growing your following and as a result growing your list. You now know the 7 steps to turn your passion into profits. It's time to take action. If you want more detail, you can get my ebook by following the link on this page. Do you want to see more videos like this on how to turn your passion into online profit? Then be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Good luck in following your passion and making online profits.